Clove water can actually help your skin, but if you have dry skin, using it the wrong way can make things worse, like irritation, tightness, and even more dryness. So, before you try this viral DIY, watch this. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about clove water for dry skin, what it actually does, who should use it, and most importantly, how to use it safely without damaging your skin barrier. Because not every natural remedy works for every skin type.
This clean skin, soft light, express it shows in my eyes. Is how I hold my shoulders.
Let's make
I
it.
stop
Take
giving
1 cup
up.
of water
I don't chase it. I make space for it. I
and
come
add
back
about
to
4 to 5
myself.
cloves.
There's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. There's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer.
Boil
There's
it
a
for few
woman's
minutes, then
glow.
let it cool completely.
It's a light I don't
Clove water
chase.
is
It's a
simply
light
water
I don't
infused with
chase.
cloves. Cloves
Feel
contain a
gold
powerful
from
compound
inside,
called
and I
eugenol,
don't need
which has
proof when I say
antibacterial
no
and
without
anti
guilt, and I
inflammatory
still keep
properties.
my
That
peace.
means
It's
it
been
can help
kind,
fight
staying
acne
sharp,
causing bacteria, calm
slowing
redness, and
life
give your
down too
skin a healthier look over
slow.
time.
Standing
Clove is a
silent
very
on the
strong ingredient, and for dry skin,
edge
strength is
of
not always a good thing. After that, strain the water and store it in a clean spray bottle.
I keep my
That's it, your clove water is ready. But don't apply it directly yet. This step is very important for dry skin.
not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase. It's a light I find. Capri Luna, I
If you
stay
have dry
steady.
skin,
I
you should
don't
never use clove water in its strong form. Always dilute it. 1 part clove water, 2 to 3 plain water or rose water. This makes it much gentler on your skin. You can also use aloe vera gel, honey, or glycerin to create a hydrating mask. So as you can see, I'll be using glycerin. You use it only 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. You can use it as a light face mist. Just spray a small amount on your face, or you can apply it with a cotton pad, but don't rub too much. And the most important step, always apply a moisturizer right after, because hydration is everything for dry skin. Now let's talk about results. Low water is not a miracle overnight solution, but with proper use, you may notice slightly clearer skin, reduced redness, and a soft natural glow. However, if your skin is very dry or sensitive, you might not need it at all. In that case, focusing on hydration and barrier repair will give you much better results. Here are the biggest mistakes to avoid: using clove water daily, not diluting it, skipping moisturizer after, and applying it on already irritated or damaged skin. If you avoid these, you are already ahead of most people. So, yes, clove water can be helpful, but only if you use it smartly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, will you be trying this? And I'll see you in the next video.
And I
Bye.
don't need a proof when I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp,